welcome to another episode of Girl You Always On Something. Today I am excited to share with you what I've been doing these last couple months. Alright, so let's just jump right into the tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, please like, rate, and subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers. Let's make that happen this year. Alright, in the video. Okay, so right now what I've been working on is these African print floor length maxi skirts. Look at that. All the way down to the floor. Look at that print. I have my camera on the tripod, so you may hear noises. So what I love about this African print floral maxi skirt, besides the fact that it's a part of the Lachey Design collection, it's the fabric. So you ever have that, so out of that waxed African fabric, that cotton fabric is like, it has no movement to it, it's extremely stiff. Well, I was able to find some fabric that is polyester. It's so breathable, it's so breathable, it's so flowy, it's so comfortable. You can wear this in the summer or the springtime, and I just wanted to show you the movement of it. And I kind of like twist my dummy around. I'm trying not to make sure I'm not in the videos. Alright, so look at that. I put a invisible zipper on the side, so you wear the skirt to the side, and I put a half of elastic in the back. Let me show you what I mean really quick. So here's the side zipper right here, and it's an invisible zipper about 8 inches, maybe 12. And then in the back, I have this elastic that really stretches all the way across, and that allows it, the skirt can go from small, medium, large, or extra large. So I've only made 2 of each print of skirts. Check out the website to see what I have. The skirts are on sale, so I've only made 8 of them so far because I want to see how they do. I've only made 8, and I'm going to pair it with mine. This is my personal skirt right here that I made for myself. I'm going to pair it with a crop top or even a tank top. So check out my website, see what's new on the website, place your order, support a woman-owned business. And I'm telling you, the fabric is absolutely amazing. The price is amazing. Everything's on sale. I've also made this t-shirt, and I'll talk more about my t-shirts in another video, but I'm doing custom design t-shirts. I am actually designing the t-shirts myself, and each t-shirt has a story to tell. Look at that. So it says, my hair, my life, our history, and it's a woman with like an afro hairstyle, and her face is made out of a tree or whatever, tree branches. So stay tuned, check out the website. I have some good things on sale, some good quality things on sale. I'm really trying to launch my clothing line this year. I really want to get more into giving you guys what you want. So everything will be on my website. Check out the description below, and you will see all the information that we talked about in this video. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, rate, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up because more stuff is coming from Lachey Designs. Yes, support your girl. Peace.